In this problem, we're asked to multiply two whole numbers. We'll multiply 65 times 37. In order to do this, we'll first multiply 65 by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Write the 3 above the 6. 7 times 6 is 42, plus the 3 is 45. So we have that 7 times 65 is 455. Now we multiply 30 times 65. In order to do this, think of 30 as 3 tens. Write a 0 to show we're multiplying by tens, and then multiply 65 times 3. In order to not get confused, I will cross off the 3 that I used above, and now multiply 65 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15, writing a 5 below and the 1 above the 6. 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 1 is 19. Now I need to add the results. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, writing a 0 and a 1 above the 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 9 is 14. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 65 times 37 is 2,405.